Hey folks, today we'll be doing a graft that I have never tried before. I'll be doing an apricot scion graft on this peach tree. This is a peach tree. This is one of my largest trees in my yard. I'll be cutting one of these main branches off here or here, and I'll be doing bark grafts on this peach tree. I'll be using apricot scions, so we will be doing apricot graft on a peach tree by cutting this major branch here off and inserting two scions onto this branch under the bark. We'll start with cutting the branch, of course. Let's clean up the area. We'll try to make it smooth, so that we can lift the bark. It's midsummer right now, beginning of July. Tomorrow is July 4th. So we'll be lifting this bark and let's prepare our scions. I did some bud grafting earlier, so I'm not cutting a new branch, but I will be using the same branch that I used for bud grafting. Here we'll select a piece of this wood, of this apricot stick, with at least 3 healthy buds on it. So let's make it cut here. So we have got 1, 2, and 3. We want to cut below it. So this part will be thinning and entering it into the bark. So I've cut and prepared the scion. We'll be inserting this into the bark. Let's cut the bark here and lift it. We'll be sliding this into the bark. Yep. And we'll wrap it. We'll prepare another scion and insert a second one on the other corner. Here's our second scion. One, two, three, at least. So I'm going to cut them there. Get rid of these. Yep. Nice. Clean. And let's cut our bark. Lift the bark As you can see, bark is slipping. It's summer, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Let's also get rid of these. Now we will wrap it. You don't want your graft to lose any moisture, so you make a tight, clean wrap. Using parafilm. You could use any plastic. Just make it a clean, nice wrap. Too thick either, because you want the buds to be able to break the parafilm. Parafilm is not like plastic, so the buds can just break it. You don't have to open it for them. All right, folks, I'll continue wrapping this, make it clean, but that's it. So here we did 2 apricot scion grafts doing bark grafting on a peach tree. So apricot on peach, scion graft, bark graft. As an extra precaution, we'll be wrapping it with film because it's a hot summer and we want it to stay cool. So this is an extra layer of protection. We'll keep here for a few weeks and then we'll check on it in a couple of weeks. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed our video.